This song is by Kieran Peck and New River, and I think it's called either Hope or Hope for All Nations, and I'm singing it by soundtrack. The world is so hungry, but we hold the bread of life. Surrounded by darkness, but we know the name of the light. In a world so divided, we have the love that unites. Jesus, Jesus, He is hope, hope, hope for all nations, hope, hope for every need, hope, hope for the life that's been broken. He's always been, forever He'll be. Hope, hope, hope for all nations, hope, hope for every need, hope, hope for the life that's been broken. He's always been, forever He'll be. Grace that can mend a marriage that's too far gone. The arms that are bringing the prodigal hearts back home. The truth for the lonely, that you are never alone. Jesus, Jesus, He is hope, hope, hope for all nations, hope, hope for every need, hope, hope for the life that's been broken. He's always been, forever He'll be. Hope, He'll be our hope. The same great power that raised Him from the dead is living within us. The church will rise with kingdom dreams again. Nothing can stop us. The same great power that raised Him from the dead is living within us. The church will rise with kingdom dreams again. Nothing can stop us. We are declaring hope, hope, hope for all nations, hope, hope for every need, hope, hope for the life that's been broken. He's always been, forever He'll be. Hope, hope, hope for all nations, hope, hope for every need, hope, hope for the life that's been broken. He's always been, forever He'll be our hope. Please let me ask you one question. Why did you have no backup on this song? The backup, especially on that last ending, on that ending part where you're going, hope, hope. That is so powerful. That's the most powerful part of the song. If you have it, to me, if you had that hope, that would be the most powerful part of the song. I hate it so bad that y'all didn't put no backup whatsoever on any of these tracks for a person to sing by. But, you know, I hope you'll change that. But I hope you'll change that. I'm not trying to be ugly. I'm sorry if I sound ugly or mad. I'm not. It's just that it makes that song sound a lot more exciting than it is. It's already exciting, but when you add that oh, and even that part where I'm having a little bit of trouble, where it says he's always been forever will, you know what I mean? It changes keys or something. That would help out a lot if there was some backup right there, like there is in the actual song when y'all sing it. You know what I mean when y'all sing it. Thanks. God bless.